Artistic Gymnastics from Texas State.
This way, sir. You don't have a choice, man. Make move.
To get ready, presentation of medals for the rings and the balls. Rings, get ready, John Imo, Lagos State bronze medalist. Prosper Okosun, Edo State, silver medalist. Ogbemudia and Edo State, gold medalist. For rings, get ready. NSF for the apart of male for the vault. They are having bronze medalist Ogbemudia Julius from Lagos State, Michael Ayo from Bayelsa State, silver medalist, and the gold medalist Enobo from Edo State. Please get ready. Gold medalist from Edo State,
Holding me down all day, all night.
presented by Honorable Emeka Ebusa. Let's get ready for the ball. Bronze medalist Ogbemudia Julius from Lagos State. Silver medalist Michael Ayo from Bayelsa State. Gold medalist Enobo from Edo State. Bronze medalist Atiba. Next, the award ceremony. Best all-round men. Best all-round men. The third position, bronze. Ogbemudia and from Edo State. The total score 39.10. Next, Prosper Okosun. From Edo State, silver medalist.
This time, I would like to inform you that the team medal for men athletic gymnastics won by Edo State. And that was the individual medals for best all-round male, best second is one of the biggest events in men athletic gymnastics. So this is a big one. This is a big one.
medalist, Edo State. Damilola Oluwafemi, get ready. Silver medalist from Lagos State, Oyekunle Adenike. And gold medalist from Edo State, Helen Ocheke.
Leave the shot.
To get ready for the uneven bars event, bronze medalist.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less.
For the uneven bars event, female, bronze medalist from Bauchi State, Chiamaka Sapphire. Silver medalist from Edo State, Damilola Oluwafemi. And gold medalist from Edo State, Helen Ocheke.
I was built to be the best.
Medal presentation for the uneven bars to be done by Chief Tony Oli.
My destiny, I have waited patiently. I have vision, no, I believe. I know I can count on me, so stand up.
The next presentation is for the uneven bars to still be done by Chief Tony Oli. We're calling on Chiamaka Sapphire from Bauchi State, bronze stepping Ogechukwu from Anambra State, Gift to Hile from FCT, silver medalist, Melvin Amenagawon from Edo State, gold medalist. The medals for the balance beam event female is to be presented by Chief Chika Ibeleme, the Senior Special Assistant to the Anambra State Government. Next all-round female, bronze medalist from Edo State, Helen Ocheke. Silver medalist from Anambra State, Stephanie.
Number one and nothing less. Into my destiny, I have waited patiently. I have vision, no, I believe. I know I can count on me, so stand up. For the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up.
Ondo State. Women finals. Bronze medalist from Ogun State, Jennifer. Silver medalist from Ekiti State, Koluso Tebo State. Gold medalist from Ondo State, Alaran Sandra. Presentation of the medal, the men. The presentation of the medals be done by Pastor Olatipo, the founding father of gymnastics, Ondo State. To get ready, Jennifer from Ogun State, bronze medal. Nike Onyekule from Lagos State, silver medal. Melvin Amenagaon from Edo State, gold medal. DMT women. Presentation of the awards still to be done by Pastor Oladipo. Anambra State, gold medal. Last but not the least, the mixed double aerobics. Mixed double aerobics. For the bronze medal, Kano State. For the bronze medal, Kano State. We have a tie for the gold medal. Edo State and Lagos State.
who has been very passionate, loving, and supportive. A mother who has put her time. A lot of mothers have been doing this for some time, but is here to be extending for other mothers to present this award. I'm talking of no other person. This is is the mother of our champion, a woman who has, a lady who has been us proud at the World Championship, first of his class. I'm talking about Annabelle. Ada, please can you stand up? Annabelle, just wave your hands. Why our doctors and everybody, families and sports, shake hands with you. She made us proud at the World Championship. She's a Nigerian girl. And she's proud to be on here with us. Thank you. Thank you.
You are chilling with the baddest DJ.
This is Gymnastics. Edo State, Abuja, and Ondo. This is what we're talking about.
Only men's event. Team Enobong from Edo State, bronze medal. Confidence Henry from River State, silver medal. Abdullahi Suleiman from Bauchi State. Thank God that the game has come to an end and there were no casualties, but instead we are all celebrating. For us in Edo, the governor has said that gymnastics, Edo will be the home of gymnastics because we have natural talents here. And we want to also, as a state, and from the governor of Edo State, Mr. Gorin Obaseki, to thank our Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports, the immediate past. Without him, God used him to have Edo State host this 2020 National Sports Festival. So please let's give him a round of applause. If we were to use money, there's no way Edo State will have had the money to lobby to have Edo host this 2020 festival. But this gentleman comrade insisted that with what he has seen and the zeal and determination he has seen in the governor of Edo State, he insisted that the right thing must be done and he wants to encourage Edo State. And he insisted that Edo should be given the hosting rights. Honorable Minister, sir, we want to thank you on behalf of Mr. Governor and the good people of Edo State. Is one minister when he says, I will do, he does it. There's no complaint. That is why I say comrade. Today, you can see the product of
your decision for Edo to host. I'm sure when you go around this facility and go around other sporting centers that we created, during your time, you always come in here to see how the works were going on. But I'm sure most of these facilities, you have not seen the completion. But today, I remember when you came here, you were like, will this facility be ready before the sports festival? And we assured you that it will be ready before the sports festival. Ladies and gentlemen, this structure, the whole of this structure and the center course was built in 40 days. 40 days. The entire structure, including the center court, the tennis center court, was built in 40 days. You won't believe it. And we thank God that we had good engineering, and at the end of the day, you can see the product of good thinking. I want to thank Mr. Governor for his vision for Edo. I want to thank Mr. Governor for bringing back sport to his native land. And for all of you that have participated, I want to thank you. And for this young, new talent that we have discovered, I know the sky is their beginning. You can see this is the future of gymnastics. Where are all the young ones? All the new talents should come out. This is the future of gymnastics in Nigeria. We are going to Tokyo this year. I'm sure, by the grace of God, Dakar, Senegal, we have some of them representing Nigeria. The next Olympics, by the grace of God, we'll have some of them, if not all, representing Nigeria. Please give them a round of applause. I want to thank the Nigerian Gymnastics Federation for discovering this young talent. For us as a state, we'll continue to support the association so that these young ones will continue to have a smile on their faces and discover and live their talent to the full. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all. Let's see in the next sports festival. God bless you all.
I feel so happy because I'm the second girl to be the best gymnast in the whole of Nigeria. It encouraged me so that I can go to the Olympics and win several gold medals, and so that I can be the best in the whole world, like Simone Biles. When I was 2 years old, I started doing gymnastics, so I would just jump anyhow, and then my mom would start beating me because she does not know what I'm doing. Then I stopped doing the contortionist and started flipping. I encourage them to not stop doing their talent because they don't know how far they can go, and I encourage them to also be training hard if they are gymnasts.
Yeah, we thank God so far. Everything is moving well. With the movement so far, I think it's good. Edo people have tried. In between the COVID and whatever thing, but we still thank God about everything. No, we are happy. We are happy. You know, we are just a sports commission. You know, we try to, bring more talent, the younger one. Just like Stephanie, she's good and very young. She's about 10 years. So you can see, and she's doing well. So we are so happy about her, and we still thank God that maybe she will still go far. That's what we are looking at.
I am so proud that the Edo State government did not disappoint my judgment. When the hosting right was to be given out, we had to look at the state that if they make a pronouncement, they will make it come. And I decided that Edo was the best to consolidate the gains of the revival of the National Sports Festival. And of course, what I am seeing here, I'm so proud of the state. They have put in the best. Some of the infrastructures I was doubting they could complete, like where I'm standing. When I came here, I doubted their commitment to complete it in 40 days. They have done it. Now, the amazing aspect of this infrastructure here is the quality of work put into it. The quality of work is of standard, it's amazing, and I think with this infrastructure, Nigeria can beat to host any of the continental competition because we have what it takes here in EDO. I'm proud of the government. Well, the festival started with some hitches, but I think because of the determination of the state to deliver, they were able to address the gray area, and it's one of the best in contemporary times that we've had. I think we also tend to forget the benefits of the National Sports Festival. It is supposed to be a gathering of Nigerians where new bridges will be built, relationships will be developed, and talent will be showcased. And from what I'm seeing here, the amazing talent we have in gymnastics has been displayed here. I think there is a hope for this country with sports. And I think government should look the direction of sports. With sports, you can address the security challenges because all the young people are now engaged here and they have hope in what they are doing. They are also exhibiting their talents. They also have faith that they will make it in sports. So I think government should put more investment in sports and we'll be able to overcome some of these security challenges.